First step. SC1804 UV installation. Take out vertical leg. Remove the 8 screws at the bottom. Take out horizontal leg. Insert the vertical leg into the square hole of the horizontal leg. Secure with 4 screws. Secure the bottom of the horizontal leg with 4 screws. Install the other support leg in the same way. Remove the screws at both ends of the crossbar. Take out the crossbar of vertical legs. Insert the crossbar into the corresponding position on the vertical legs. Secure each side with 5 screws. Remove the 3 screws on the vertical leg. Take out the connector. Secure with 5 screws. Install the other side in the same way. Remove 4 screws. Take out the bracket of feeder. Secure with 4 screws. Install the other side in the same way. Take out the bracket of material tube. Place in the corresponding position. Secure with 2 screws. Install the remaining 3 material tube brackets in the same way. Install as shown in the figure. Insert the material tubes into the corresponding position on the collector. Place it in the corresponding position in the machine. Insert the material tubes into the corresponding position on the feeder. Place it in the corresponding position in the machine. Take out the pressing plate of material tube. Secure with 4 screws. Install the remaining 3 pressing plates in the same way. Remove the 4 screws at the top of the vertical leg. Take out the printer body connection part. Secure with 4 screws. Install another connector in the same way. Remove the 4 screws in the middle of the vertical leg. Take out the bracket of UV light box. Secure with 4 screws. Install the bracket on the other side in the same way. The machine base is installed as shown in the figure. Lift the printer body. Locate the corresponding hole position. Place on the base. Secure the printer body connector with 4 screws. Secure the vertical leg with 4 screws. Secure the other side in the same way. Take out the UV light box. Place in the corresponding position. Secure each side with 2 screws. Take out the bracket of UV chiller. Secure with screws. Loosen 2 screws. Take out the bracket of waste ink bucket. Secure with 2 screws. Place the UV chiller on the bracket. Plug in the power cable. Plug the cable into the corresponding position according to the wire labels. Plug 2 water tubes into the UV chiller. Install as shown in the figure. Insert the feeder cable into the printer. Insert the printer power cable. Place the waste ink bucket into the bracket. Connect the waste ink alarm cable. Open the printer cover. Remove the belt lock. Remove 2 screws. Remove the side cover of the carriage. Perform the same operation on the other side. Remove the screws securing both sides of the carriage cover. Remove the carriage cover. Install the print heads at positions 1, 2, 3, and 4 shown in the picture. Remove the data cable bag. Connect print head 1 according to the position marked on the label. Place the print head into the corresponding fixed slot. Secure it with 3 screws. Connect print head 2, 3, and 4 in sequence using the above-mentioned method, and place the print heads into the corresponding fixed slots. Secure them with screws. Install the ink damper. Use a syringe to draw ink into the ink damper. Install the ink dampers in sequence. Install as shown in the figure. Turn on the switch. Observe the machine initialization action. The second step. Software installation. Unzip the file. Double-click the application. Follow the prompts. Software installation completed. The third step. Machine adjustment. Load ink. Clean the nozzle. Print the nozzle check. Check nozzle status. Vertical adjustment. Loosen the 4 screws around the printhead H4. Turn the right screw in a clockwise direction to the appropriate position. Secure the 4 screws around the printhead. Loosen the 4 screws around the printhead H4. Turn the right screw in a counterclockwise direction to the appropriate position. Secure the 4 screws around the printhead. Nozzle check. Loosen the 4 screws on the base plate of the carriage. Turn the left screw in a clockwise direction to the appropriate position. Tighten the 4 screws on the base plate of the carriage. Loosen the 4 screws on the base plate of the carriage. Turn the left screw in a counterclockwise direction to the appropriate position. Tighten the 4 screws on the base plate of the carriage. Step adjustment. Head space adjustment, horizontal left distance. Head space adjustment, horizontal right distance. Head space adjustment, vertical distance. Bidirectional adjustment. Calibration completed. Take out the carriage cover plate. Secure it with 2 screws on each side. Take out the carriage side cover. Secure it with 2 screws. Repeat the same operation for the other side. The machine installation is completed.